Hi you guys, I'm Lisa and welcome back to What the Bake. This is our last video of 2019. Now this week we will be making a cake that's kind of festive but will also be perfect for a New Year's Eve party. This week we are making a Winter Wonderland Sheet Cake. It is a vanilla cake that we will be decorating with different colors of buttercream icing. Without further ado, let's get baking. We will start by creaming our butter. When it is light and creamy, we can add our sugar. Next, we will add our eggs and vanilla. Lastly, we can add our flour and milk. Because this is a sheet cake, we will be using a rectangular, oven-safe bowl. You can either coat it with cooking spray or you can do what I did and cover the bowl with a little bit of butter. Fill the bowl with the vanilla cake batter. Then using a rubber spatula we can smooth out the mixture. Bake in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. For our icing, we will start by creaming our butter. When it is light and creamy, we can add our icing sugar, milk, and vanilla. Beat for about 5 minutes until all the ingredients are well combined and the icing is nice and smooth. Then divide your icing into 4 separate bowls. Use food coloring to achieve different colors. Because this is a Winter Wonderland cake, I decided to use different shades of blue and a little bit of purple. For our Winter Wonderland snowflakes, we will melt white chocolate in the microwave. Remember to stir continuously. Place your melted white chocolate into a piping bag and then pipe your different snowflakes on a piece of baking paper. Now for the fun part, let's get decorating. We will use different nozzle tips to create the flower effect on our sheet cake. I will list all the nozzle tips that I used for this cake down below. To finish decorating our cake, we can add our white chocolate snowflakes. And there you guys have it, my Winter Wonderland Sheet Cake. This is such an easy recipe to follow, and the end product is Instagram perfect. This was the perfect way to end off 2019. Now if you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. Happy New Year!